actually really like it. What y'all think?
But we're gonna say number 5.
I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I get you what you want, but you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want.
Hello there. Hello, dear. We are getting ready for brunch. It's 12:52. Yeah, brunch is at 2:45, so I'm about to get ready. Yeah, so I have to do my makeup. I'm trying Fenty for the first time, and I'm excited. But I need to do my edges first so it can set, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. And yeah, also hold on. Okay, so now just getting back from church and had to run an errand, like after church. But while I was in church, why did I receive a YouTube notification? Ooh, don't burn me. Receiving a YouTube notification from somebody, and it wasn't nice. It just was not nice. And you know, I understand people have their opinions about stuff, but also like, if you feel a certain way, I don't understand like why you're here. Like I'm not holding you hostage on this channel. Like if you're not feeling the channel, like that's fine. You don't have to be here. But it's like, it was nasty. This is what the comment says. I have to delete it, but it was from my Jamaica trial haul. You gotta work on your sex appeal. The masculine gestures and profanity is off-putting. Learn to be more ladylike and soft. Just constructive criticism. You're an attractive woman. Just put it all together. Trust me, you will see a difference.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that?
And my thing is, I didn't ask. Like I truly and genuinely didn't ask, and I could see if it was constructive criticism about like, oh, maybe try getting close here. I don't know, because I do ask like, hey, you know, drop some places where to get clothes or whatever like that. But it wasn't constructive at all. I didn't ask. 2, it was nasty. It just was very nasty. Like, 1, if I'm masculine, okay. If I'm masculine, I'm masculine. It's my channel. Like, I can be masculine if I want to. If I'm using profanity, okay, it's my channel. Like, if you're not feeling what I'm putting out, that's cool. I'm not asking you to be here. There's other people that like the channel, and respectfully, don't comment. Like, it's really just a matter of, I didn't ask. Like, I did not ask. Truly. I don't know. I just feel like it was very nasty and it was uncalled for. But like, tell me if I'm tripping. Like, it was getting audacity. The audacity. Like, did I ask? No, but I don't know. Like, some of the comments already be kind of weird to me. But that comment right there was kind of like, yo, it came off nasty. Whether they were trying to be nasty or not, it came off nasty. And that's just what it is. But anywho, I'm about to get dressed and do my makeup. What I bought from Sephora, I bought a few things from Sephora, including Fenty. Oh, I got this African black soap. Check out their website and their Instagram from Sweet Lotus Beauty. This is not in Sephora. They're a vendor at Atlantic Station. Hopefully they'll be there next time I go. But I got a contour stick and some blush and some more serum. And then I got a birthday gift. So we're going to try all this out today and see what's happening. But while this is happening, I'm going to go ahead and start my makeup. Yeah. My birthday is in T minus. T minus. T minus. The day. Basically, my birthday's on the 12th to 10th. What should I? Alright, I'll get back with y'all when I'm like in it for real. Okay. Y'all, Alexa, pause. I forgot to shave my face. I forgot to shave my face. I'm gonna shave it tonight so that I have nice application during the week. But I forgot to shave my face because I want to get rid of this mustache. But it's okay. I'm gonna just shave it tonight. But since I already started, dang, I wanted to shave my face. It's fine. Cause I wanted the application to be like smooth as butter. But it's okay. I'll do it tonight, I guess. But nobody can. I've been using this tint. It's Maybelline, but I don't know if it's even my color. I was trying to give what you call it, a break foundation. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm really just winging this whole makeup thing and seeing what works. Who knows? And y'all know I have to do my makeup with my glasses on because, girl, I can't sleep. Bailey is doing something. It smells like chemicals. I don't know, but I'm gonna just keep on doing. Alexa, play. Alexa, play Megan Thee Stallion.
Shuffling Megan Thee Stallion and similar artists on Amazon Music.
You know what? It's not my fault you're like in love with me or something.
It's not my fault.
By saying fuck y'all, I ain't gotta clear my name on it. Making help to make money, bitch, come feed my house. All you bitches is value. I can never be judged by a bitch that was dancing. Hey, I was free from my bitch. Every chance you get, bitch, your weak ass wanna dress me. The sweetest pie.
Thanks. I was over here trying to twist it.
You never, I might take you home. This one, they make beautiful babies. And they don't love eventually. 2043. Like the daddy hurt me. Damn, a couple monsters. And then they'll run it eventually. 2040.
Alexa, play The Only One for Me by Brian. Alexa, play The Only One for Me by Brian McKnight. This will be played at my wedding.
Looking out on the rest of us. I turn around and walk away. Then I see I want you now.
Pause. All right, guys. The makeup's done. I actually really like it. What y'all think? I still don't know what I'm doing, but I like it. Okay, so, and I gave up on my edges because it's gonna be covered anyway. And then this is a dress. Yes, it's a spot, but we're gonna make it work. And then I'm trying to decide between the shoes. The left gives wedding, the right gives club. I don't even know if y'all can see, but I have on gold heels on the right side, and left is like a pointy silver heel, and it's giving wedding. And I'm like, I already got on white, so I don't know. But what do y'all think? Boom, is it giving 27? I feel like I'm finally coming into my grown woman body, and it's gonna like, what do you think you are? But the heel will determine what purse I wear. I have this purse that's in my suitcase that I'm packing for the trip that y'all saw in the trial haul. If I wear the gold. If I wear the silver, I have like a heart purse. So it just depends which one. But I'm asking Chrissy and Jamaica now. Let's see which one you think I should wear. Chrissy just wrote back. She said, oh, she said she likes the bow on the left, but like the gold adding color. I'm gonna tell her. Have 2 separate purses for each of you. Your heart purse for silver and gold for gold. I'm ready. Okay. Y'all, I'm really turning 27 on Tuesday. Who allowed that? Ooh, child. Oh, got it. Okay. I feel like I just need a little bit more bust and then it will sit right, but I'm ready to go drink mimosas. Bottomless, baby. Bottomless mimosas. Okay. Great.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up in him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a psych on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow like a whistle, lie to officials.
We are at Casa El Minera. This is what I have on. I'll show y'all the house. Here's Jamira, Deshaun, Christy, and Justice, and everybody else on the way. We were late technically, but we here, so nobody goes.
My family don't play this.
It's bottomless mimosas. So I'm ready to drink and eat. We haven't ate all day. We went to church and we had all of us had protein bars. Okay. I'm hungry. I don't really know what's here wrong. So this is the menu.
Ooh, everything got eggs in it though.
You don't like eggs?
Hate it.
Why?
I feel like they taste like what Mark would taste like. I'm ready.
Dre, what's good?
It's a bowl. It's a nice little bowl.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Focus on your order. Focus on your order. Thank you. It's cute. Let's get these festivities started. 27 Tuesday.
Mimosa.
Mimosa. Mimosa. It's not gonna stay.
See, it's like sometimes I be thinking I like grits, but I know I don't. But that one makes
Joy's here.
Hello.
Tell her to post. Thank you. Tell her to post.
I need to post.
Ooh, why is it lighting like that? I got the chicken fried steak plate.
Is here. I thought it was
Chicken, egg, potatoes. She eating ceviche. She fucking that shit up.
so good.
Christy got nachos. Is that nachos? Oh wait, that's quesadilla. I'm sorry. It look like nachos, my bad. Potato. Dre, you got chicken and waffles. Type shit. No quesadilla. A burrito. What you get?
Are you using your nothing? No.
Well, she got nothing right now.
Waiting on my French toast.
French toast. Blessed be the name.
No, I can eat hot. I'm gonna start tomorrow, bro. You starting a diet? Yeah, I need to get my health and wellness down pat.
Say hello. No, that's you. That's you. I'm at the airport. We board at 7:20. Is 7:10. We should land at 10. And yeah. Y'all, I'm still tired. I'm low-key still drunk from yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. But it's fine. It's fine. The flight is only like 2 hours, so once I board, I will tap back in.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was.
My damn shirt. Gotta stay. It's fine. It's fine. But we're here. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just waiting for transportation now. My mom gets here tomorrow. And yeah. But 27 tomorrow. Hi. What's your name? My name's Ayona. Hi Ayona. I'm Bree. Okay, y'all, so I made it to the resort. Okay, I've checked in, but baby, I'm early as fuck, y'all. My room technically would not be ready until 3. It's 11 o'clock, so I got 4 hours. But if I get an email saying that like my room is the early, that I can't go to the room, because I can't do. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. What the hell? And I got this thing before I even got here, so. Party foul number 1, but I met somebody on the way to the resort and she's lit, so she probably hit me up. Hopefully, I'm here now. I got the Wi-Fi. Your girl gotta pee and it's hot. It's so. I'm probably gonna sit here. I might edit a little bit because I definitely need to edit. But I wanna do something. I wanna see what a nigga is. I'm kidding. Maybe. Nah, I'm kidding. But nah, I really want to be outside. Like I want to explore and just be out and enjoy Jamaica. My edges is not edging, but like my hair looks so cute old right now, but it's not. But I'm about to. I think I'm gonna edit for these next few hours, and then check back with y'all. But look at the resort. Hold on. This is a resort. I'm staying at Reuniting Montego Bay. Already got the first drink, you feel me? Got rum, baby. We drinking rum punch all week, okay? And that's about it. I'm gonna finish editing the vlog from last week, like the prep and stuff, and then yeah, hopefully you guys see this within like a week or 2. Y'all, I'm so close to monetizing my channel, y'all. I'm gonna be official. I got let me show y'all. I have 1740 watch hours, so y'all keep watching. Subscribe, tell your friends, and yeah, I get back with y'all when I'm not sweating. Y'all, I finally made it into the room and I'm hot, okay? It's a little hot out of 10, but I don't yet. I literally have not been outside to do anything yet because I've been waiting to get in here to shower. But here's a quick room tour, okay? So to the right is a, oh, I have to use the key. Hold on, y'all. Make this quick. Okay. I have to use the key to turn. Oh, the lights. Oh, hold on. Did it work? Oh, hell. How you do it? Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. Hold on. Like that. Oh, boom, baby. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Ooh, baby, I look tired and I'm about to shower because what? Here's the bathroom though. Double sink. Shower. This is closet. I thought I'd get a towel. I guess not. Here's the bed. Initially, it was going to be a double bed, but I asked for this bed because it was just going to be me. But they ended up giving me the big bed, but now it's me and my mom. And then another mirror, and then everything's all inclusive so I could drink it here. Look, I replaced every
days. And then everything in here, baby, I can start drinking out, but I'm actually hungry as heck and it would be irresponsible for me to not eat. So I'm about to shower, get changed, and then I'm gonna explore a little bit. I am dressed and showered and all the good stuff. This is what I decided to put on. Don't know what I'm about to do at all. Like I don't know. But here's a better fit of what or picture video of what I have on.
When I was a kid.
You gotta show a little leg. I'm about to take some pictures on the balcony, and yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do until I start exploring. How do you open this thing? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Okay. Y'all, I thought I broke my camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let's fix the exposure. Okay, cool. So, it's 4:24. I have still not eaten yet today. But it's fine. I'm drinking though. I'm gonna eat around 6:30. I didn't really feel like getting in the pool right now, so I just have on regular clothes, like I showed y'all. But there's so many beautiful black people out here. I love that for us. Yeah, so I have nothing else to do but drink and sweat. So that's what I'm gonna do until it's time to eat, because the girl is hungry. I haven't ate. Yeah, I'm drinking, so that's fine.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the bad I cry, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Sorry. You never do.
Yeah, but I was gonna say, you look like your background.
Welcome to my office.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah. You're. Who you talking to? Hi. Nah. Got the ganja. He got the ganja.
Hi, vlog.
Hi. Y'all, I ain't done nothing but drink. I have not eaten yet either. It's okay, it's my she's trying to convince me to go parasailing. I can't swim, and I just feel like that means I have to swim. I'm looking. Where they at? Oh, they in the sky?
Yes.
I know, but it's above water. Can't you like?
Boats right there. No, like you have no means of like.
Has anybody ever fell out?
No.
Okay, I don't trust it.
See, and you can see the view of everything. You see the water.
I guess maybe. Come on, plate number 2. They want to be your bestie. So it's I don't like this exposure. Okay, we're just gonna go with this. I don't know what's tea with this exposure. Hold on. Don't know what that one is, but we're gonna say number 5.
Hey y'all, it's my birthday officially. But I'm about to go to bed. It's a little past like midnight. After it hit midnight, well, I was on live for a little bit, but after it hit midnight, yeah, I was like, okay, I'm finna go to bed. So I'm back in the room now, and I'm just gonna call it a night early. And it's simply because I know when my mom gets here, we finna be on go. Like, she already told me ain't no naps. So I'm taking this to my advantage, having like this rest time by myself. And yeah, but we made it to another year, guys. So I'll get more sappy later, but year 27, we're here. Don't cry, Bree. All right, see y'all. Good morning. It's March 12th, y'all. It's my birthday. Like, my actual birthday. Ooh. Y'all, stop. I'm telling y'all because I trust y'all. But why? Okay, so I brushed my teeth in the morning, like before I left yesterday. But I forgot to pack my toothbrush. I mean, not my toothbrush, my toothpaste. I got my toothbrush because I had multiple. But I forgot my toothpaste. So I had to text my mom. But I mean, she's bringing hers, so I'm like, okay, great. But I forgot my toothpaste. So I was like, bro, there's no way. I literally packed everything else. But the only reason I didn't pack it was because it was the last thing that needed to be packed, because that's what I did in the morning. So yeah, I have to wait. But in the meantime, I'm about to get dressed for today, but I want to do some content. I'm gonna wear a bathing suit that I watched. Y'all saw my last vlog, or my trial haul, but from Tina Queen. She like, don't look it this way. She, I'm gonna this way. She did she got her bathing suit from Amazon, and I got it, and I was like, ooh. So I want to do a similar video, like a get ready with me birthday edition. It's gonna be the same bathing suit. So shout out to her. I was like, do I want to wear makeup? I don't even know. I guess. Yeah. Oh, y'all didn't see me through my phone. Okay, that's right here. But what's it? Oh, I need to charge my battery. Okay. I'm vlogging and doing a TikTok, so it's fine. I'm not gonna do a full face, y'all. I'm gonna spot conceal. I'm not gonna do a full face. I'm not gonna do a full face. Cause every time I start, I end up doing a full face. I'm like, don't do it. It's like, I feel like once I start, I gotta commit. But I'm not gonna do it because I'm like, girl, you going to the pool. You don't need too much. You don't need too much. It is hot, so it's gonna melt off anyway. Just like a little bit. But y'all, the last time I did my makeup when I was for brunch, I really liked it. And I think it's because I started using Fancy. If you see this, Rihanna, I'm here. Just a little. Okay, I believe the girlies say to spray your face with wick. It make it like last longer. That's what I think. Oh my gosh! Oh, I thought I didn't bring my sponge. I'm like, dang, how the fuck everything? I did not do any packing this time, this trip. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't. And that's okay. We're gonna have to keep playing music. Stop vlogging though, because I'm playing music and I don't want to get no copyright for this trip. I'm so close to getting 3,000. 3,000 watch hours. I'm so close, so I don't want to. But I'm gonna keep doing my TikTok. So yeah, check out my TikTok. Check out y'all.
Okay, I'm at breakfast. Breakfast. My mom should be here soon. It's like 9:08. She should land. Oh, she should land in 20 minutes. Just kidding, 10 minutes. And so she gets here, just like chill out. Yeah. So I'm waiting for my mother. Her flight is supposed to land at 9:20, and it's like 10:20. But she has to go through like customs and stuff, and then get here. But the airport is literally like 5 minutes from here, so I don't know. I saw a friend from last night. Oh yeah, I tell y'all, I met a friend last night. Cool. He's literally staying in the same building as we are, or villa, but he's cool. I saw him this morning. He thought I didn't remember him because I was drinking. I was like, I'm all drunk now. But I guess I'll go drink some more. I've had 2 mimosas. I could go drink more. It's my birthday. Right? So let's go drink.
End of the 2 rounds, and you'll be walking away with the prize. It is that simple, that easy. So come on over. Hello, my lady over there. That brown bag, brown shoes. Yeah, lady in the pink, you too. Come on over. Come on over, darling. You know you want to do it. Queen, the queen shirt. Come over here. Bring your man with
Y'all, she thick as fuck. Wait, the commentator, she thick as fuck. I'm still, oh shit. Hello? Okay, I'm still waiting for my mama, so I'm just walking around doing shit. This is mimosa number 3. I've already been told I need pictures and drink more, so that's what I'll do. I'm trying to get my mom here. They playing some game, child. I don't know what game they're playing, but they're playing. Oh, you go ahead. Okay. You're good.
My gosh, I'm supposed to be. Listen, one time. See, I know this little girl. Her name is Maxine. Her face is like that. I need my mother tell you about.
You wanna know what I know, what I know.
You look like a Maxine to me.
But a hero.
You're not innocent. That's what Maxine did. I know this little girl. Her name is Maxine. She's my ex with a bunch of hoes. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you just say I don't know what I know, but where does she roll? Say what? Where does she roll? Understand why? You know, I was kind of slow, but if you love me, holla at me one time. Holla at me if you want the wickedest wine. I know it's been a while, but baby, never mind. Cause tonight, don't see me, I give you 1 night. Satisfaction.
Okay, that's it, one. Okay, that's it, one. Okay. She got it there. Hey.
She want to do with the wickedest slam. She need a 1, 2, 3 over man.
Okay.
She need a do it in it. Maxie, what I do with the wickedest slam? She need a what? Why you being so late? I know you can do better. Maxie, do better than that. Show them what you do on a Friday night, Maxie. Show them what you do on a Friday night.
Come on, that's it, man. Yes. She gotta get low. Yes. Yeah.
You heard what she preferred. She want to find the best.
Ooh. Day. Okay, so can't remember the last thing I vlogged, but it's 12:13 now. Mama's still not here. She missed her flight, y'all. She missed her flight. Okay, but I'm on drink number, who knows? I'm hungry, but I want to wait for her to get here so we can eat. She should be here soon. She's at the airport. She's like in the lounge. But when she gets here, maybe we eat together. I don't know, but I'm gonna just keep drinking and be merry. Okay, time for lunch. I got chicken, rice and peas, oxtail, beans, plantains, yellow rice, and pasta. And it's crazy because I don't really eat beef, but I will. Oh, you didn't have to get water because there's a waitress.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, she helped me this morning. Look, my mom's finally here, y'all. Look at her. What did you get? You got some oxtail, yellow peas, plantains, fish, pasta, something else. So it's hours later. We decided to come to Golden Dragon and switch up from the restaurant. Chardonnay, my mama got Chardonnay. She's getting her food now because I didn't want to leave my camera. Yep. But we're gonna go to karaoke night and watch. This is the outfit I decided to wear with my teardrop. I took pictures in the heels because I just did not want to wear heels walking around. But yeah, I look yellow. I think I'm getting sued. Yeah. Oh no, the ISO. Oh. Okay, that's better. I was looking more orange than the other one. I'm still orange, but that's just the lighting here. Yeah, so we're gonna karaoke and then probably, to the club. But I'm 27 today, guys. Okay. I'll show y'all what I got when she comes back over. But I didn't know it was my Asian cuisine. Hers. You like it so far? Salmon is good. Yeah. Let's see what this sushi hitting on. Everything's okay? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, I'm full. Sushi good? I'm full. Love sushi. Love sushi. Me too. I should have went to that first. I don't know what you're doing. Her cocktail. Oh, okay. Gold rum, blue Sriracha, lemonade, and peach snaps. Okay. A day at the beach. Gold rum, blue Sriracha, lemonade. Oh yeah.
Are you allergic to pineapple?
Nope. I'm not. What did she say? Allergic to pineapple? I sure am not. It's called a day at the beach. Day at the beach. I like that.
There we go. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Thank you. Okay guys, it's day whatever. We're on a beach. Here's Madre. We took some pictures, but I gotta go back and review. But look at the beach, y'all. Look at the water. So pretty. We don't really have anything planned today. Today is just vibes. Smile. Yeah, that's what I do.
Thank you.
Huh?
My favorite parts.
Your favorite parts?
When you let me stick it in.
Oh. Yo. Thank you. Mine too. You've been. Oh no. Hey. Yeah, go. So we got some from Pepe's food. She got salad, watermelon. She had pasta, but she ate it. Chicken, rice, and peas, bok choy. We was trying to get a what you call it? A coconut, but he was done. Literally, the person in front of us got the last one, so I'm gonna eat.
I'm testing your rubber, wink, wink. Don't do it in the pool, though. That's what your room's for. You'll get it eventually. Just bounce. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to see you enjoying yourselves. This is what we do in this format. Let's go.
Okay. I would have been dropped it. Been dropped it. Hold on, what? Okay now. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Take it to the bar. Take it to the bar. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I thought we were doing more. Yeah, 6. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. That's for everybody. Okay, body girl. Up and down, girl. Up and down. Girls, up and down. Woo. Bet you don't even know her. Oh Lord. Who gave him the camera, Lord? There we go. Yeah. You see the material. Up and down. 1, 2 for you. 2. Oh shit. Wait, too long. Wait, come in the camera. That man is still in the bar with his hat. No. I went over there. I was like, can I get 10 shots to the guy? He's like, oh, okay, no problem. He goes, get the shot glasses. Then he's over there. He's like, I think those shots was for me. And I said, I don't know. And then he was like, he over there having conversations. We won't ever get them shots. Yes. I was like, we never gonna get those shots. We thirsty.
You gonna come back like you never saw him.
Back up. We thirsty. Up to it, down to it. Damn the ones that can't do it. Fuck no. say. There you go. Yeah, man. All right. Hey, TikTok. What's your horse's name? TikTok. TikTok. Yeah.
Alright?
I got you, my mama, all the time. Always.
I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody could try breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it.
Dinner, night 4, rice and peas again, curry, turkey and goat. I don't usually do red meat, but gotta get it. Patties, plantains, cocktail, and corn.
You know what? You sit down. My lady, come over here. Over here. Somebody's over here.
Look how he's sitting.
Nice and easy. I'm gonna set you free. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Final day. Yum. You better sing it. You better sing. She can break the windows. Right.
Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you remain, you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover.